Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Arunachala blesses you. Today I will discuss something which is very important and scientific but proves the value of the spiritual attitude, spiritual bhavana, spiritual learning, all these things. Morality is different from spirituality. Spirituality makes harmony, makes peaceful life, gives you contentment, improves individual and improves the whole society. So what I am going to discuss is about a Masaru Emoto, a Japan scientist. This I have discussed 20 years before and explained to many people. But you see, again I think it is necessary to discuss these things because they are very, very important in the present day situations and to help you individually and help the whole society. Thoughts influence the result. What kind of thought you have, positive or negative? So in this line, many preachers have come. Practice positivity to get positive results. Even impossible things can happen. They give so many examples. I have also given many examples of these positive thinking, positive attitude results. With this, many people have risen to very high altitude in their lives. There is no doubt. It is not a new subject, it is a more ancient, most subject that you should practice positivity. So, what is told is called Shastra. Shastra means about the truth, something about practical knowledge, what you should do, the teaching part. Then Sampradaya comes. You cannot teach everything to 5 years old child and then you practice. We can discuss everything when somebody joins an ashram after the education and everything at the age of 40. Then all the reasons will be given why you should do, why you should do this, why, what is the benefit, all this. Then he starts practicing. Otherwise, he will say, unless otherwise you explain, I cannot do. Like Vivekananda. Vivekananda told, unless otherwise you prove God, I cannot pray. I cannot believe this. Like that, everyone is a Vivekananda. I mean to say, a Vivekananda. Once you get the truth, then you become Vivekananda. Okay, let us see what is the actual point here. The actual point is, suppose somebody, what he did is, Masuru Emoto, he crystallized the waters and analyzed the molecular pattern. So, how he did, the complete detail is available in the literature. You just type Masuru Emoto, it will come, or water crystal scientist, it will come in YouTube and everywhere. You can have lot of materials to look into it. I am picking up few things to press the important point what he says. So he crystallized. So for example, he crystallized water from the ditch, dirty water, a pure water. Then he analyzed the molecular structure. The dirty water structure was very awkward, and the pure water was showing beautiful, symmetric, diamond like structure, beautiful structure, harmonious. All corners are in harmony. It is symmetrical. Symmetry shows harmony, like that. Then he conducted some more experiments, like you write thank you in a tumbler, you write I will kill you in another tumbler, another glass, then pour water into it and keep it for some time. Then crystallize the water and analyze the pattern, molecular pattern. Then he was surprised that I will show the slide. He is surprised that thank you gives a beautiful pattern. I will kill you gives very awkward, very dirty, cruel pattern, like that. Then he did many experiments with the rice also. Same thing he wrote in the rice. Many people did. Following him, many people did in their houses and experienced the same result. He wrote God bless you or thank you, like that, blessing words. Then I will kill you, like that, in a dirty word, hatred word, in another tumbler, another vessel. Then another one without anything. All three showed similar results for many times, repeated times, by many people in their houses. Not only scientists did, he told, and many people saw the same result. So the result was the thank you or God bless you gave beautiful color for the rice after 15 days, 20 days. They kept it to rot. Then the I will kill you become blackish or very dirty, very pungent, very bad smell. And the other one in between, like blue color, something, it turned into blue color after few days. This happened. You can see it in the YouTube also. Then one more experiment. It was very pertinent. So they took water from the holy places like Ganges. There are holy places in Europe. Then they crystallized them and they took water from the tap. They crystallized them. They are completely different. Completely different. Then they again did another extremely important experiment. They crystallized water plainly without doing anything. Then they crystallized water, blessing the water or praying the water. We are very thankful for you. You are giving life to us. Thank you very much. God bless you. God bless you. Like that, they told the water. The water absorbed the memory, absorbed the words, and became beautiful crystallized pattern. This is very important. So, uh, suppose if you simply write and keep it on a glass, a hatred word, it gives a bad result. You see, so what happens? What happens? Now you project these results into your own life. In your own life, you will change yourself. You will change yourself. You will see that the situations are changed into positive patterns, blessing patterns, mainly blessings, purity. These two things will enhance the results. Water has the capacity to absorb the bhavana, attitude, just written in a piece of paper, stick stuck on a glass, it absorbed the attitude. It is not even told, like that. So there are then it is told verbally, again it absorbed. So sankalpa, thought force, thought force. Many jnanis talked about thought force. Thoughts are the only thing that can change. It can change your life, the whole world. So in this way, jnanis were propagating prayerfulness, thankfulness, be grateful to everything, be grateful to God, be grateful to each and everyone, be grateful even to the worst situation, be grateful to everything in this world, father, mother, brother, sister, whatever it is, teachers, gurus, like that. How much time you were grateful? How much time you spent in gratefulness? Almost nothing. Only when somebody gives much more than what you expected, you feel grateful. But you are not grateful for having a beautiful eyes which can see, recognize the colors. You don't recognize the brain, which is a greatest computer in the world. The supercomputer is costing millions of dollars, but you are having computer which can make the supercomputer. How many of us feel grateful to this beautiful existence giving us all these things? You have fingers, you have legs, you have beautiful digestive system. Whenever you eat, you feel happiness. Endorphin is pumped into you. That endorphin helps you to set a beautiful mood for next 2 3 hours. What a system God has created. So this is the message that you should feel grateful. You should avoid hatred words, words of hatred, words of ill feeling, words of evilness, words of negativity. Just avoid listening, avoid telling. I have seen very beautiful persons. They immediately cut off any negative discussion, jump into beautiful, harmonious, prayerful thoughts make the water beautiful crystals. Even the water is becoming beautiful when they are crystallized. Same thing will happen in and around you. Same thing will happen to the results of what you do, the results of what you speak, the results of what you think. That is most important. What you think. Thinking becomes the action. So you should have control over the thinking. It's very easy. We want peace, we want happiness, so we want proper thinking pattern. So this is what this scientific evidence is showing. So in those days in Bharat, people practiced praying to the water. People practiced rivers as the deities, great devatas. Now you can understand why we are so prayerful towards the rivers. All over the world, this culture was there. So let us practice everything which is positive, prayerful, and thankful, and become very, very happy. And become make this world as beautiful planet, the planet of peace, planet of harmony, planet of victory. We want happiness and also victory. Let us practice and make this to happen. Be good, be a happy person, make the world happy. Be a prosperous person, make the world prosperous. Make a peaceful person, make this world as peaceful place. Om Namah Shivaya.